Unfiltered Trading episode 4. In this episode, I'm going to teach you guys how to get sniper entries with zero drawdown. I'm literally talking about those entries where you get in and you immediately go into profit. So if you're interested, let's get straight into it. So before you guys do anything, you guys need to do your top-down analysis first, right? So firstly, we're going to analyze the charts from a higher time frame first. So like right now, we are in the daily time frame, and we can see that right now gold has been making a beautiful downtrend, and we can mark up our strong support area and resistance area like somewhere around here. There's a little support area being formed right here. And then for your resistance area, I can see like a little resistance area around here. Okay, then go down to the 4 hour time frame and look for like a mini support and resistance levels. So I went down to the 4 hour. I see, okay, right here there's a little support area, right here support area, but it now has become your resistance area, right? And then even recently there is even this little resistance area being formed right here. So right now price can do a few things, right? But right now currently price is like consolidating and stuff, and I want you guys to understand that price literally moved from one level to the next level. So you can see when price was at this level, it went up to this level, and then when it was at this level, it came back down to the mid level, and then from the mid level it went back up to the first level, and then eventually it came back all the way down to this level right here. Price does not just go anywhere. It moved from one key level to the next key level, guys. So for our kind of like mark up your charts, mark up your trend lines, use all the tools in your arsenal to tell you that whether you should go in for a buy or sell. So example, if you guys want to enter like somewhere around here when price broke through this support and then came back up to retest it, right? What you guys want to do to get sniper entries is to go down to the smaller time frames, like the 15-minute time frame or even the 5-minute time frames. So right now we're in the 15-minute time frame, and we can see that price pretty much went back up to retest this support area, which has now become resistance area. So we can look for our entry somewhere around here. So as you can see right now, price created like a little double top right here. Double top is basically like a reversal pattern. So it hit one top, second time it went back up, failed to break past it, rejected it, and then come back down. So this is our double top chart pattern. So that is one confluence for us to enter for the trade. Second confluence could be some sort of moving average crossover, which is right here. It crossed over right here, guys. And then third confluence could be this evening star pattern right here, this candlestick pattern, which shows us that price is reversing and heading back down. And then another thing could be price went back up to retest this. So now we got 4 confluence, all the confluence for us to enter for our sell position right here, guys, right here when the moving average cross over. So another tip for you guys to get sniper entry, right, is wait for the moving average to cross over first. Because a lot of time, if you do not wait for the moving average to cross over, it can be like a little fake out. So meaning that price can like come back out to retrace to this moving average and then went back up. Alright, so you do not want that. You want to wait for the moving average to cross over first, and then you enter for the trade. So we enter right around here for our beautiful sniper entry, right? And then the stop loss should be placed above this little resistance area being formed right here, or you can even put it at like above this second top right here, but I'll put it right here to keep our risk low. And then I'll take profit. You can put it all the way down at the next key level, guys. That is the key to getting sniper entries. Remember how we trade from one key level to the next key level? That's right, guys. You'll take profit all the way down to the next key level, which is right here, the key support level that we have drawn earlier. So you can see. So as you guys can see, this trade was pretty long. It took about probably like a few weeks, probably 10 days. It took about 10 days for this beautiful swing trade to go all the way to our take profit right here. Smash our take profit, guys. And as you guys can see, this is the 1:18 risk to reward ratio. You are risking $1 to make $18. What a bargain, bro. Like, this is crazy entries, right? So if you guys can apply this concept into your trading, you'll be able to get your sniper entries quite easily. We are essentially trading from one key level to the next key level. Guys, I need you guys to be laser focused on what I'm teaching you right now, because what I'm teaching you changed my life, and I hope that it will change your life too. It's really just about getting sniper entries, which allows you to have a tighter stop loss and a huge profit potential. Okay, so right now, once right here you have taken your profit, right, you can look for your entries again, guys, because right now we are at this key level and we are expecting price to either come up to this level, like it will either come up to this level, or it will maybe come up to like the mid level and then just came back down here to create like some sort of higher low or something. So right now, price at this support level, what we want to do is to go to the 1 hour time frame to mark up our resistance area, so that if you enter for a buy somewhere around here, we want to know where to place our take profit, right? So we can look towards your left and then see where price last stopped at. So I can see like a little resistance area right here. This is also the last lower high before price pump all the way down. So yeah, this will be a beautiful take profit area. Okay, so now that we have marked up our beautiful resistance, we know where to place our take profit. Go down to the 15-minute time frame to look for your sniper entries. So right here, you can see price went back down to this little support area, and you guys want to pay attention to the candlestick patterns being formed at the support area. You can see right here, price did what? A super duper long wick doji right here. Can you guys see it? It's like a long wick candle. Right after price did this big red candlestick, the next candlestick is a doji with a long wick. This shows us that there is an increase in change in the market sentiment. So price is about to reverse, right? Because the sellers don't have enough momentum to push the price down, breaking past this level. No, it did not have that strength. So price is about to reverse and hit back up. So when we see this, we can either immediately enter for a buy position, like somewhere right around here, when price did this green bullish engulfing candlestick, or you can be patient to wait for the moving average to cross over, which is what I like to do. Be patient and wait for the moving average to cross over first and then get in for the trade. Because right now, if you do not wait, right, price can literally went back up, retest this moving average, and then still went back down to break past this support level. You do not want that to happen to you, right? So wait for the moving average to cross over and enter for a buy position right here. You can see right here, the blue line is above the red line now. Previously, it's all the red line above the blue line. So you can enter for a buy position somewhere around here. Stop loss, place it below this support level, or you can even place it right here. You can see price is forming a little double bottom right here. One bottom up, second bottom, failed to break past it, and then go back up, right? So our take profit, we want to place it at the next resistance area that we have drawn earlier, the last lower high, which is like somewhere right around here, guys. So once again, let's see how this beautiful sniper entry played out. Just like what I said, guys, look at this. Price went back up to this little resistance area and smashed our take profit. Really as simple as that, guys. You just want to trade from one key level to the next key level and then go down to the 15-minute time frame to look for your sniper entries and then place your take profit at the next key level. You can see once price went back up to this mid level, it starts retracing. You can see it starts consolidating and retracing. So right now, price can either come back down to this level right here, this support level that we have drawn, or it can even break past and went back up to this resistance level. So if price goes up to this resistance level, right, it will be pretty bullish for gold. So we can see gold approaching the next key level right here. I'm going to show you guys a few more examples so that you guys can really grasp the concept of getting these sniper entries with zero drawdown. So right now I have marked up AUD USD, and as you can see, price is at this support area right now, and this is like a super strong support level that price has almost like very rarely break past. You can see right here, the last time it came back down here, it was 2021 last year, then went back up, came back down here again, went back up. So the next time, which is right now, price went back down here. Guess what? Price is not going to break past it. All right, price is very less likely going to break past it. But with that said, you guys do not want to assume that price is going to like immediately bounce off like this. No, what we do is we react to the market. We never ever assume the market is gonna do what we want it to do, right? Price can go up here, fake out, and then still went back up like this, right? Price can do a lot of things, or price can even go down, break past this level, retest, and continue going down even further. So when price is at this major support level, what you guys want to do is to be patient and do not do anything first, alright? Wait for price to show us some sort of confirmation whether price is like reversing and bouncing back up, or is it going to break past this. So in this case, price at this major support level, and it gave us inverted heads and shoulders, guys. Look at this. This is the left shoulder, head, and then this is the right shoulder. So inverted heads and shoulders basically looks like this. It looks like a middle finger but upside down like this. Inverted heads and shoulder. You can see once price did this inverted heads and shoulder, price is about to head up like this. All right, head up like this, so you can enter for a buy once price break the neckline, which is right here. Around here there's a neckline, so somewhere around here you could have entered for a buy, right? So what we're going to do is go down to the 15-minute time frame to look for your entries, guys. So right now, once you guys are in the 15-minute time frame, you'll see like there's a giant inverted heads and shoulders. So this is the right shoulder. What we can do is we can wait for price to break the neckline, which is in this case right here. This is the neckline, right? You can see this is the left shoulder, head, and then this is the right shoulder. We can wait for price to break through the neckline and then enter for the trade, right? But if you guys want to get a sniper entry, you guys can enter like somewhere around here, guys, somewhere around here. So for me, right, when I see price break through this support level, right, I will be a little bit skeptical, because most of the time when price break through like a certain key level, right, it's actually a fake out. Like, honestly to you guys, most retail traders think that when price break through like a support level, it's just gonna go straight down. No, it's not going to do that, guys. Just think about it, guys. Most retail traders are the ones who lose money in this market, so we do not want to act like them. We want to act in the opposite way. So when price break through a key level, instead of selling at like this support level, what you guys can do is to enter for a buy if price shows us some sort of like reversal pattern, which it did right here, guys. You can see price broke through this support level, consolidate a little bit right here before going down even further, but somewhere around here it did not have the strength to continue pushing the price down to the next key level. So let's zoom in a bit so you guys can see. You can see price went back all the way down here, and then right here the moving average starts to cross over, guys. Look at this. The blue line starts to cross over the red line, and then you can see the red candlesticks. They are getting smaller and smaller, guys. Look at this. Big red candlestick. Small candlestick. This shows us that the sellers are losing momentum. Alright, so once price showed us this big green bullish engulfing candlestick and the moving average crossover right here, and now all the candlesticks are above the moving average, we can potentially enter for a buy position somewhere right around here. And then your stop loss, place it below this last lower low right here, and then you'll take profit, guys. Your first take profit should be at this support level, because right now if price is losing momentum, we should be expecting price to come back up to this little support area, and now it can either do two things. It can either be a fake out and continue going back up, or it can like reverse and head back down. So what we can do is to place our first take profit right here. So when price go back up here, you can take like partial profits or something. And then when price goes up to this support area, what you guys want to do is to pay attention to what the candlesticks is showing you. If it's showing you like big green candlesticks piercing through this level and like heading up, right, that means it's a fake out, right? If it's a fake out, then what we want to do is to change our take profit to the next key level, which is right here, this key level right here, which is the last lower high before price pump all the way down, like all the way up here, guys. So now we just wait for price to get up to this support level and see what candlestick patterns price is showing us. So right here, guys, you can see when price went back up to this little support area, it started consolidate a little bit, and this is our neckline, guys. Remember, this is our neckline. So now we wait. You can see it come back down, consolidate a bit, still consolidate a little bit, and then wait for some sort of like momentum pushing the price all the way up. Then we can move our take profit to all the way up here. Right here, guys, you can see right here, price broke out of the consolidation somewhere around here. So you can see this giant consolidation, and price broke out of the consolidation right here, and it begins pumping all the way up. You guys can see like price literally went all the way up here. It's so hard to like freaking show you guys because all the candlesticks are like so small right now. Yeah, but you guys can see price literally went up to hit the last lower high before it starts coming back down, and this is the 1:11 risk to reward ratio. This was like an overall like a super beautiful swing trade. So before you enter for the trade, make sure you guys do not assume what the market is gonna do. React to the market. Look out for your 3 confluences first before you enter for the trade. And you can see if you guys go down to the 15-minute time frame and trade from one key level to the next key level, you can potentially get like a high risk to reward trade, guys. So if you guys are still watching this, I'm gonna give you guys like a bonus tip, alright? So this is for like people who are really serious about trading, because chances are if you're still watching this video, you are serious about mastering trading. So I'm gonna give you guys a secret tip, alright? Secret tip. Do not tell the losers who exited this video because they think that it's boring, alright? Do not tell them. So the secret is that to get sniper entries, you want to trade before London or New York session. What I mean by that is that, you know how during London and New York session, there is a lot of volatility, like price will move a lot, right? So example, if you guys look at gold, right? Gold is a pair that move a lot especially during the London and New York session. So what you guys want to do is that you guys can enter for the trade before London session, because you know that London session, like the liquidity is gonna hit, and then there's gonna be a lot of trading volume, like pushing the price either down or up, right? Knowing that, you can enter before that happens. Alright, so what I mean by that is that, look at this. Before London session, during the Asian session, gold sometimes move like very little. I mean, most of the time, it will move very little. So it will like consolidate a little bit or something, making like small candlestick patterns like this. And then even sometimes during the London session, the trading volume might be quite little and it might be quite dry. And then during the New York session, and then boom, price will move a lot, right? So you can see in this example, here this is 3 p.m. right now. You can see like the time below, 3 p.m. right now. And this is London session currently. We know that this is a resistance area and price is showing us small candlesticks, which shows us that price do not have the momentum to break past this resistance area and go back up. No, it cannot do that, right? So we can enter for a sell position somewhere around here when price is like making small candlesticks. Place your stop loss above this resistance, and then when New York session hits, which is around 7:30 or 8 p.m. right here, guys, you can see right here, or even 9 p.m. New York session hits, boom, price literally dropped all the way down. Look at this, guys. Price got pushed all the way down, guys. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. That is a key secret to getting sniper entries. You trade before London or New York session. You enter for the trade before London or New York session, where there is not much trading volume. And then when the London session come out, guess what? Price is gonna get pushed all the way up or down, and then you're gonna be in a whole lot of profit, guys. So if you guys have learned something, make sure you like this video and hit on that subscribe button if you guys have not. It really only takes about 2 seconds to do that, guys. Remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.